In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Proton Mail more effectively with encrypted search, secure sending, aliases, filters, and productivity tools. Let's start with search because this is one area that often confuses new users. Since Proton is designed so the service itself cannot read your email content on its servers, regular search only looks through basic metadata like subject lines and senders by default. If you want full message text search, click the search bar at the top of the screen, then click Enable on the banner that says Search Message Content. Proton will then download and decrypt your message text into your browser's local sandbox cache. In simple terms, this means the deeper search happens on your device, not on Proton servers, which helps preserve your privacy while making searches much faster and more useful. Next, let's talk about composing messages with the right security settings. If you're emailing another Proton user, the process is easy. Just enter their address and send the message as normal. End-to-end encryption turns on automatically. If you're sending to an external inbox like Gmail or Outlook, open a new message and use the external encryption option, shown as a padlock icon in the bottom toolbar. From there, set a secure password and a password hint. The recipient will get a link to access a private decrypted message window. One important tip here, treat subject lines like postcards. Subjects are not encrypted, so keep them generic and place any sensitive information inside the message body instead. Another smart privacy habit is using aliases through Proton Pass. This helps you avoid giving out your main email address to sign-up forms, public websites, or marketing lists. Click the square app launcher in the top left area and open Proton Pass. Then click Add Item and choose Create an Alias. You'll get a randomly generated Hide My Email address that forwards incoming messages to your inbox. If that alias starts receiving spam or gets exposed in a breach, you can disable or delete it quickly without affecting your primary account. To keep your inbox organized, go to Settings, then All Settings, then Filters and Labels. Click Add Filter to build automatic rules that apply labels or move emails into folders based on conditions you choose. If you want more control, open the Civ tab, where advanced users can create code-based filtering scripts for precise incoming mail handling. Finally, improve your daily workflow with built-in productivity tools. In Settings, under Messages and Composing, turn on Category View to sort mail into primary, transactions, promotions, and newsletters. On mobile, assign swipe right to snooze and swipe left to trash for